Hi Daryl, thanks for sending me your question about finding a distance but not using a coordinate plane. So this is a great question. I'm hoping that this is the exact one that you were wondering about. The important thing on this one is that you are given their coordinates, and the 2 points actually share a common coordinate. So in all of these problems for this specific topic have a common x value or a common y value. So I'm going to draw it for the sake of discussion here really quick so that you can see kind of what it would look like on the page, and then you'll be able to do it without drawing it every time maybe. Now drawing it every time is not bad. You can write it on your own piece of paper and you don't have to use the coordinate grid given on the computer. But let me just put them up here. So -5, 4, that looks like this. Now this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. I guess I'll put some tick marks on here. It's not very even. That's okay. Alright, so -5, 4. So this will be our blue point. -5, here's -5, 4. So that would be like right here. I'll label it -5, 4. Okay. Now in green I'm going to do the other point, -5, -3, -5, -3. So that would be like here. Now if you want to find out how far apart those 2 points are, you would draw a line from one point to the other, and you're basically finding how long that line is, right? You could count for this actually because it's straight up and down, so it doesn't change at all as far as the x's are concerned. We're basically finding the difference between the numbers 4 and -3. So how far apart are the numbers 4 and -3? You could count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or you could even subtract 4 minus -3. And it should always come out to a positive answer when you're done because we're finding distance. So even if we had subtracted the other way around, did -3 minus 4, we'd get -7. But we'd change your answer to +7 at the end because we're looking for distance here. So that's how you find the distance between 2 points if they share a common coordinate. So when you get to a later topic where maybe they don't share a common coordinate, then we'll have to talk again about maybe a different formula to use. Now it doesn't really matter if they share a common x or a common y. You're basically just subtracting the 2 coordinates that are not the same to find the distance between those 2 numbers. Okay, so I hope this helps and gives you a head start. Let me know if you have more questions.